So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to check the U.S. housing market and kind of what the latest is regarding the U.S. housing market here through Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go to this top bar to where it says buy, and then under buying resources here, I want you to go down to where it says U.S. housing market and press on this. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and check the latest regarding the U.S. housing market. So, if you were to go down to the overview right here, you can check the median house price, the amount of houses sold within the year-over-year time, as well as the national average in regards to a 30-year fixed mortgage rate. So, you can kind of scroll down this way, view a bunch of different metrics, and view a bunch of different data. You can also go into the top 10 metros in the U.S. in regards to the fastest growing sales price. So you can go ahead and check out the supply. You can go ahead here at the top and check out the demand. You can go ahead and check out the migration, see where people are moving, as well as the latest news. So if you were to go to news right here, you can check the latest in regards to the trends, all this kind of stuff regarding the U.S. housing market. So very simple, very straightforward, but this is how you guys can check the latest as it pertains to the U.S. housing market here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.